Hey guys, it's Kira. Thanks. Hey guys, it's Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you my brand new grow lights. I am going to set them up under one of my I'm gonna set them up. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna set them up. What? Okay. I'm gonna set them up. I'm gonna set them up on one of my bookshelves that I have. I'm gonna have them on my tomato plants and my pepper plants, and hopefully they do great. I haven't turned them on yet. I haven't plugged them in. I only took one out of the box. The other three are still in here, and yeah, I'm excited. Got to set up a little power station in an area that doesn't actually have any outlets, so that should be fun. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching me put these lights together and put them up and moving all the tomatoes right over here. It's not perfect yet. What? It's not perfect yet, but I'll do some tweaking and let you know how this turns out. Hopefully those tomatoes sprout soon. Catherine. And I'll let you know how it goes. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button.
I want to hit the bell.
You want to tell them?
Come
here. Say subscribe and hit that bell. As loud as you can. Why don't you say it to me? Why are you shy all of a sudden?
No, it was it.
Okay.
So it.